How to add the emoji keyboard on Android. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. Today's video is on how you can add emoji keyboard on your Android. Now before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's dive right in. So to add an emoji keyboard on your Android, it's rather simple. If you're up to date to the latest version of your software, emojis are basically default and they are already present in your keyboard. So if you want to try to use it, all you have to do is press on your search bar. After you do that, you can then tap on your emoji button right here on the keyboard. And there you should find your emoji. After that, if you still don't find it, when you're on your keyboard, you will find the settings option right here. Tap on the settings icon. And right here, you should be on the settings of your keyboard. After you're here, you should find emojis, stickers, and GIFs. So if you don't find it, you can head over to the preference option on the top. After you're here, you'll find emoji key, which is an option where you can simply switch to your emoji section in your keyboard. So simply toggle this button on to enable it, and you should find your emojis then. And it's that simple, and that is how you do it, guys. And that is all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos, and bye bye. Take care.